In today's tutorial, we're learning how to make this cool effect where we have that 3D line going around an object, in this case a shoe, in Canva in just a few minutes. So let's jump into Canva, see how we do it. And we're starting from a blank slide. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy in one of the images on the slide, go to background color, and then go all the way down till we have a gradient. Let's change the gradient to a circular one, and then put the dark on the outside so we have the light, the focus effect on the inside. Select the subject and use background remover. Let's scale it down a bit, or the crop marks at least, rotate it and increase it so it takes up quite a nice part of the slide. And now let's look for that shape. So I'm going to press the L key to add a line. I'm going to add this on the slide and drag it across the shoe. Now I want to increase the weight to about 45 points, can be quite a lot. Choose that line type and go for curved. So we can now control the curve of the line. Put the end position here and create that. Ctrl C, Ctrl V to create a copy. I'm going to rotate it so it sort of matches the direction we want to go, and connect this point here with the other one, and then do it like this and create a nice curve until it nicely matches and connects those lines. Now you can always play around with the curvings, the settings until you get that result that you like. I'm going to copy it once more, rotate it, and let's say it has to fly around like this. Maybe this one we put it a bit higher, and you just play around with the lines, connect them until they feel nice, they feel organic. And this one, it's already connected outside of the slide as well. There we go. Just make sure the connection points are nicely done and connected. Now select one of the images or the lines, go to colors, and I'm going to give this a gradient color. So for gradient, and I'm going to give it a line gradient, linear from left to right. Now let's add a different color to it, like that neon green. I think that will be cool. So let's go for a yellow green and then a darker yellow green on the other side. So just like this. I'm going to select the other line and repeat that just like this. Now we can see this nicely flows, but this here has a bit of a weird color angle. So I'm going to select it, go to colors, select the color system, and then just replace or rearrange it so the dark and light is on the other side. So this way it looks quite good. Now I'm going to copy the image, the shoe, and put a layer on top. And now I'm going to drag it until it's halfway. So we now see that this goes behind and this sort of curves on top of it, which is quite cool. Now for the most impressive effect, I think we're going to rotate the color. So make this one light to dark and this one the darkest one. So we have that darker effect going underneath and light on top. It sort of gives that shadow effect to the slide, and I think that adds for realism. Now we can always add the shadows ourselves. So we go to elements and type in shadow, and we have two lines or two spots where we have to add a shadow. Let's take this one here, that weird shape. We can use that and zoom in onto the slide. Now I'm going to position that right here where the shoe overlaps the line, position, and then drag it underneath that first shoe. Reduce the transparency so it looks quite realistic and only overlaps that line. So it's a small thing, but I think it really adds to the design element. Now go to elements again, shadow, and choose a more circular one or like elliptical one. Make it smaller, turn it around, and I'm going to place this one here where the line goes over the shoe, and then also drag it underneath those lines. So it sort of looks like it's casting a shadow on the shoe. And that really helps to add that 3D effect to the design. You can always select the lines and make them even bolder if you want. So if you want to add some weight to it, that is also possible. And you can just adjust the shadow, let's say, until that nicely matches and until it looks realistic. So you can always play around with it like this. I think that looks quite cool. Maybe a bit more transparent. Just like this. Now you can add some text to it. So let's say 3D, increase it. Let's give it a nice font. Let's go for Anton. Let's make it white and position it here on the slide. I'm going to select all the elements, including the shadow. So select everything and move it slightly to the right, to the left side. And here we type in lines and we just give that enough spacing and maybe a slight glow on this one. So effects, neon glow, and go for orange. Darker orange, yellow, something like this. And let's put that on full screen. And this is how you can create this really cool 3D lines effect in Canva, where a line goes over a subject and creates a very dynamic effect on your designs. So thanks a lot for watching. If you want to learn more about Canva, make sure to drop a follow and watch the video on screen right now.